In the last video we discussed about this problem. So here we see the next one is root over of I. So root over of I can be written as root over of 2I divided by root 2. Okay, so root over of 2I, you just see, so can I write it as 1 square plus 2 into 1 into I plus I square, because I square is minus 1 and minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out, so ultimately root over of 2I will left. So now you see 1 by root 2. So can I write it 1 plus I whole square root over of a plus b whole square formula. So 1 by root 2 into, it will be square root and this square will get cancelled out, ultimately 1 plus I. So it is 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. So this is the required a plus ib form. A plus ib form. Root over of minus 9. So it will be root over of 9 into I square, because I square is minus 1. So ultimately 3I. Okay. So 3I is nothing but 0 plus I into 3. So a plus ib form. Number D is, you see, root over of 3 by 2 into I square. So it will be root over of 3 by 2 into I, which is nothing but 0 plus I into root over of 3 by 2. Okay. Number 10. Find the square root of each of the following numbers given below. So this is the find the square root of each of the following numbers given below. The first question is 8 minus 15I. So 8 minus 59 can be written as 8 minus 2 into half into 15 into I. 2 to get cancelled out, no? So 8 minus 2 into half into 15 is 3 into 5I. So now if I take half common, it will be 16. In place of 8, just write 16 minus 2 into 3 into 5I. Now half into this, always try to convert it in the a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form, so that you will get square root easily, isn't it? So here you see 16 minus 2 into 3 into 5i. So 2 minus 2ab is there. So just you have to write it in that way, just 5 square, and here I have written 3i square, so that minus 2 into a is your 5 and b is your 3i. Now 5 square is 25 and 3i square you will get minus 9. So 25 minus 9 is your 16, isn't it? So I have written it like this: 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 3i plus 3i whole square, a minus b whole square formula. Now the square root of this 8 minus 15i will be plus minus 1 by 2, no, so it will be root 2, and this square and root will get cancelled out, from 5 minus 3i. So this is the answer. Similarly, number b is minus 7 plus I into 6 into root 2. So it will, I will write it as plus 2 into root 2 into 3i, no? So it will be root 2 whole square plus 3i whole square. Now you see 2 into 3 is 6i root 2. Here root 2 and root and square will get cancelled out, so 2, and 3i whole square is minus 9. So minus 9 plus 2 is your minus 7. So ultimately root 2 plus 3i whole square. Therefore the square root of minus 7 plus I 6 root 2 is plus minus root 2 plus 3i. This is the answer. Okay. Now number C, m square minus 2I m minus 1. So write it like m square minus 2 into m into I plus I square. I square is minus 1. So ultimately m minus I whole square. Therefore root over of m square minus 2im minus 1 is equals to plus minus m minus I. Okay. So this is the answer. 16 plus 30i. So write it 16 plus 2 into 3 3i suppose and 5. 3 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30i. So it's okay. Now I will write it as 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 3i plus 3i whole square. So 5 square is 25 and 3i square will be minus 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So ultimately 5 plus 3i whole square. Therefore root over of 16 plus 30i is equals to plus minus 5 plus 3i in square root. No? This is the answer. Question number E is your x plus I into root over of 1 minus x square. So write it like 1 by 4. It will be 4x plus 4i root over of 1 minus x square. So it will be a square root over of 1 plus x whole square. So I will get 1 plus x. And here if I write plus I into root over of 1 minus x whole square, I will get minus 1 plus x. So it will be 2x, no? So write it just not 2, not 4, just write it 2. Sorry, it will be 2. So half into root over of 1 plus x plus I into root over of 1 minus x whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square formula, a plus b whole square. So therefore the required square root is plus minus 1 by root 2 1 plus x root over of 1 plus x plus I into root over of 1 minus x. Okay. Now question number F. It is minus 2 minus 3 root 3 into I into 2, because minus root minus 3, no, so minus 1 is I square, so I square will come before the square root, so it will be I. So ultimately minus 2 into root 3 into I. So can I write it 1 square minus 2 into 1 into root 3 into I plus root 3 into I whole square, because I will get 3 I square. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So 1 minus root 3 into I whole square. Therefore square root of minus 2 root over of minus 3. You are trying to get this square root, no? So it is equals to plus minus 1 minus root 3i. Number G. Number G is your, you see, a plus b whole square minus 2 into a plus b into a minus b into I plus a minus b into I whole square. So I will get a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here I will get minus a square minus b square. So minus a square minus b square will get cancelled out. See, this is your a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is your minus I square is minus 1, so minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. a minus b whole square formula. So ultimately this a square get cancelled out, b square get cancelled out, minus 2ab minus 2ab minus plus 2ab, so ultimately 4ab. So 4ab we got, no? And this is a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b into I. So here you see a plus b into, okay, minus I into a minus b whole square. Therefore the required square root equals to plus minus a plus b minus I into a minus b. Simplify. Question number 11, simplify. So you see root over of 5 plus 12i minus root over of 5 minus 12i. So 5 plus 12i root over of plus root over of 5 minus 12i. It will be 5 plus 12i plus root over of 5 minus 12i whole square. So ultimately a minus b into a plus b formula. So it will be a square. A square it will be 5 plus 12i, no, because square and root get cancelled out, minus 5 minus 12i. And here a plus b whole square formula, a square. So a square plus 2a b plus b square. So 5 plus 12i minus 5 plus 12i. So ultimately this 12i get cancelled out, 5 and 5 is 10. So plus 2 into root over of 5 square minus 12i whole square. So ultimately here you get 24i, because 5 minus 5 get cancelled out, no? 12i and 12i, 24i. This is 10 plus 2 into root over of 25 plus 12 is your 144. And I square I will get minus, so it will be plus ultimately. So 24i, 10 plus 2 into, this one is your nothing but 9, 6, 1. So 10 plus 2 into 13 divided by 24i. Okay. So here you see 24i, it will be 26 plus 10, so it will be 36. So if I write 36 I square, it will be minus, because I square is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus. So 36 I, 24 I get cancelled out, minus 36 by 24 I, and minus 12 3 ja 36 and 12 2 ja 24. So minus 3i by 2 is the answer. Here the question number 12 is show that this one is equals to 2. So solution will be like root over of minus 2 plus 2i root 3 plus root over of minus 2 minus 2i root 3. So here you see it will be 1 square plus 2 into 1 into root 3i plus root 3i whole square plus root over of 1 square minus 2 into 1 into root 3i plus root 3i whole square, isn't it? So it will be 1 plus root 3i whole square plus root over of 1 minus root 3i whole square. So this square and root get cancelled out, 1 plus root 3i plus 1 minus root 3i. So this root 3i could get cancelled out, so ultimately answer is 2. So LHS equals to RHS. Here I can write LHS equals to this equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS proved or showed, whatever.